This is Wholesale Jamaica Stone coming to you with another YouTube video. This is what the Jamaica Stone looks like. And liquid Jamaica Stone. We have it in two forms, liquid and stone form. What's good about the liquid form, all you have to do is open it up. First, we always say shake it. Then open it up. Put a few drops in the head of your penis. We'll let it sit there for a few minutes, not too much. Wash it off, wash your hands. Then you're good to go. Very good for premature ejaculation. It helps and increase your sexual pleasure. Also comes in a stone form. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.